If you want to exit temporary chat on ChatGPT, this video will show you the quickest and easiest way to do it. Temporary chat is useful when you want a more private, one-off conversation, but there may be times when you want to leave that mode and go back to a normal chat. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the simple steps so you can switch out of temporary chat in just a few seconds. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful ChatGPT tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open ChatGPT in your browser and look at the top left side of the screen. You should see your sidebar there, and inside it, you'll usually find the new chat button. Depending on your setup, this might appear as a plus icon or as the words new chat. This is the main button you use to start a regular conversation and leave the temporary session behind. Now, simply click New Chat. As soon as you do that, the temporary chat session closes and you are taken back to a standard chat experience. This is the fastest way to exit temporary chat, and for most users, it's the easiest option. If you don't want to use the sidebar button, there is also an alternative method. Look at the top of the chat window for the temporary chat pill or toggle. If you see it, click it to switch temporary chat off. That will also move you out of the temporary mode and back into a regular chat. So to recap, you have two easy options. You can click new chat from the sidebar, or you can turn off the temporary chat toggle at the top of the conversation. Both methods will help you exit temporary chat quickly without any complicated settings. That's all there is to it. Now you know exactly how to exit temporary chat on ChatGPT and get back to a normal chat whenever you need to. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next ChatGPT tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.